Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study Python easily. Start by understanding the core building blocks, such as variables, data types, and basic operations. Consistent practice is key. Dedicate at least 15 minutes each day to coding exercises. Leverage interactive online resources and platforms that provide immediate feedback on your code. This foundational approach builds confidence and solidifies your understanding from the outset. The most effective way to learn Python is by actively building things. Start with small, practical projects that allow you to apply the concepts you've learned. Don't be afraid to break down larger problems into smaller, more manageable steps. Experimenting with various libraries and modules early in your journey will broaden your understanding and show you Python's versatility. This hands-on approach reinforces learning. Connecting with the Python community can significantly accelerate your learning. Join online forums or groups where you can ask questions and learn from others' experiences. Make it a habit to read official Python documentation. It's a rich source of information. Supplement your learning with video tutorials, actively coding along with the examples. These resources provide diverse perspectives and solutions. To truly master Python, continuous learning and review are essential. Periodically revisit older code and concepts to ensure they remain fresh in your mind. A powerful learning technique is to explain what you've learned to someone else, which highlights any gaps in your knowledge. Always strive to stay updated with new Python features and evolving best practices. This commitment ensures long-term proficiency.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.